Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn check it fast together, step by step. Let's learn a way to check an answer in 3 seconds. Add up all the digits of a number. If you get more than one digit, add those two, until you reach a single digit. That's the digit sum. 567. 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18, and 1 plus 8 is 9. Here's the rule. Take the digit sum of each number you multiplied, multiply those two together, and find that digit sum. It must match the digit sum of your answer. If the two sides match, your answer is very likely correct. Let's check 23 times 14 equals 322. Digit sum of 23 is 5. Digit sum of 14 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 plus 5 is 7. Now the answer. 3 plus 2 is 7. Both sides give 7, so the check passes. Now watch it catch a mistake. Someone writes 35 times 12 equals 425. Digit sum of 35 is 8. Of 12 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24, which is 6. But 425 gives 4 plus 2 plus 5 is 11. Then 2, 6 and 2 don't match. So the answer is wrong. The real answer is 420. So here's the habit. After every big multiplication, find the digit sum of each number, multiply them, and compare with your answer's digit sum. If they match, you're good. It catches most errors and feels like a superpower. Always check before you move on. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.